Hi there, students. Some idioms with pig or pigs. Yeah? Let's see. The first one, to bring your pigs to market. Okay, to bring your pigs to market is to realize your potential. So he's really talented, but I'm not sure if he can concentrate enough to bring his pigs to market. Yeah, to bring your pigs to market, to realize your full potential. So he's a really talented footballer, but playing in this little league team, he's not going to be able to bring his pigs to market. Okay, so to realize your full potential. Let's see, if you learn English, when you have a conversation with a native speaker and you understand them and you speak well, that's really bringing your pigs to market. To bring your pigs to market, I think maybe 4.5 informality. To buy a pig in a poke. This means to buy something without looking at it properly. Yeah, in an auction, if you bid for something that you haven't looked at properly, you could end up buying a pig in the poke. A pig in a poke. Yeah, if you don't inspect things thoroughly when you buy them, very often you're going to have a bad outcome. Yeah, I just took his word for the fact that it was working, and then I discovered it wasn't. So I really did buy a pig in the poke. Pig in a poke. In a poke. If you buy a second-hand car without knowing something about car engines, you really are buying a pig in a poke. You might be lucky, but you might not. So, to buy a pig in a poke, 4 informality. If pigs had wings, if pigs could fly, this is saying that something's impossible. Yeah, I promise to pay you back if pigs could fly. This is saying I don't believe you. This is to show that you feel skeptical that this is going to happen. You really don't believe it. He promises to do what he said. If pigs could fly, I really don't think he's going to do this. He said that he would invite us all out to lunch next week and pay for it. If pigs could fly, I don't believe this is going to happen. I think maybe 3.5 to 4 informality. Yeah, if pigs could fly, they would have wings. If pigs had wings. There are various ways of saying this one. Okay, a fat pig, as fat as a pig. Yeah, he's as fat as a pig. Well, sometimes you might be able to say that to me. This is very rude as well. To be very obese, to be very fat. He's a fat pig. Yeah? So, yeah. I used to be really athletic, but when I was at school, but now I'm as fat as a pig. 3.5 for informality. Notice it's quite strong as well. To bleed like a pig. To bleed like a stuck pig. So I cut myself with a razor blade and I'm bleeding like a stuck pig. I don't know how to stop it. Do you think we should call an ambulance? He's bleeding like a stuck pig. Yeah, my hand is still bleeding like a stuck pig. We better go to the hospital. Okay, to bleed like a pig, to bleed like a stuck pig. I think the stuck is the idea of going hunting on horses several hundred years ago, and they had lances, and you'd stick the pig sticking. Yeah, they'd kill the pig with lances. Well, it's not a pig, it's a wild boar, which is quite a dangerous creature. But I guess that bled profusely. So if you're bleeding a lot, you're bleeding like a stuck pig. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. To bring your pigs to market, to realise your full potential, to buy a pig in a poke, to buy something without looking at it or inspecting it properly. If pigs could fly, I don't believe this is going to happen. Yeah, it's pure cynicism. As fat as a pig, big fat guy. And then to bleed like a pig, to bleed like a stuck pig, to bleed lots and lots and lots. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pig idioms.